Hello guys, welcome back to my channel at Escapist Craft and DIY. Today I'm going to show you that how to make moisturizer at home. So let's get started, and this is the requested video. So firstly I take aloe vera gel. I take full teaspoon aloe vera gel. Then I'm going to add sunscreen. I use Patanjali sunscreen. Less than half teaspoon. Mix it well. Then I add cleansing milk, and this is the optional. If you have available at your home, then you can add it. If not, then let it be. Then add glycerin in it. In very small quantity. You already seen. Mix it well. Make sure that there is no lump in it. You can also add oil, means you can also add almond oil or parachute oil. I used almond oil to add it. Mix it well. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, then please subscribe to it and press the bell icon, and please share, like and comment my videos. Let's testing time. It's so good. So bye bye guys, see you in the next video.